Hello everyone, in today's video we got a cool magic trick for you. And more importantly, we give away one Amazon gift card of €25 to the first person who finds out the secret to our magic trick. You can put your answers in the comment section below. We post the solution after 2 weeks, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell to get notified with the answer. The story of this trick goes like this. One day, Professor Rahul and Professor Anjali decide to impress their class with their magical power. They ask the students in the classroom to write down 10 arbitrary digits on the blackboard, while both professors wait outside the classroom. There is absolutely no restriction on which digits students can write. They can use zeros if they want, and they can use digits multiple times. Let's say that they write the following numbers. When students are done, they ask Professor Rahul to come into the classroom. He comes in, he removes one of the digits out of 10, and he leaves the room. During this time, the two professors have no contact with each other whatsoever. They cannot also convey any message by any means. Afterwards, Professor Anjali comes in. She can see the 9 digits on the board. She can also see the position of the removed digit. And she writes down the exact removed digit in its place. How on earth would it be possible? Remember, students can write any digit they want, and during the time that the digit is removed, no message can be transferred between the professors. This trick can be actually done with any arbitrary digits that the students write. In addition, there is no chance involved. It works 100%. As a little hint, we discussed some possible strategies for the two professors. These strategies actually fail, but it can help to understand the problem. Let's say that they agree to remove the first occurrence of digit 1 from left. So the second professor comes in, and she can always write a 1 in the blank position. Well, it's not hard to see that this strategy fails. What if there is no 1 in 10 digits? Another strategy could be to remove the digit which is the same as its position. For example, digit 3 is in the 3rd position now. So the first professor removes this, and the second professor knows exactly which digit is removed. This can fail as well. What if there is no digit in its position? Okay, enough of the failed trials. Let us know of your creative answers in the comment section below. Or alternatively, post a video response if you like. And let us make it clear, there is no mumbo jumbo silly trick. There is a sound mathematical approach to perform this magic with 100% accuracy. If you like math challenges like this, do subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching till the very end.